Hey everyone, so this week I have a super quick video for you. I'm going to show you a little bit about Everliker. So this is something that I use to go in, and basically what it does is it goes in and likes Instagram posts for me automatically. So it does up to 700 per day on the free version, and obviously you can upgrade up. It's pretty simple. I don't even think it's that expensive, but I'm still on the free version. I'm doing just fine with it. So it's just a plugin that you add to Chrome, so you just have to add this, and then it'll add this little button right up top for you, and you just connect to your Instagram profile. So what you do is you add tasks, and tasks are hashtags. So you can do like by task, like by tags, and you can change it in the pro version to do by location and da-da-da. I do mine by tag. So let's see, my first tag is going to be, and I have 700 per day, so what I can even do is do one tag for 200, another one for 300, whatever I want. So for today, I'm just gonna do, ooh, forgot my keyboard's in Italian. Yep. Hashtag WordPress. And I'm gonna go with 700 for today, and it's gonna go ahead, and it's just gonna go in every time it sees a post that has this hashtag, it's gonna go ahead and like it. So there's nothing else I have to do. Like I said, a really quick video today. That's it. All I do is once I open Chrome, this does it all automatically. Then I'm good to go. If you have any questions, just let me know. Bye.